Aravind is like a road. Okay. Priya is a road roller. So let's go inside. No, baby. You are making Aravind flat on you. Public watching. No offense.
What did you say?
No, I'll explain.
Tell.
Maybe in English, no, some mistakes are happen. But I'll explain. Maybe Aravind is like mixture of like. Wait, Aravind is like.
I will save you, da. See, what he said, no. Our life is like a nasty road. Okay.
What?
But no.
யார் பத்த பிள்ளைங்க நம்ம பிரச்சனையை பூரா தீர்த்து வைக்கலாம்.
I'll tell you full thing. I'll tell you one thing. My life was a nasty road with lots of pallam. Bumps. So you came into my life as a road roller and made the bumps into flat and you made our life happier. Correct?
அட்டு என்ன தெரியுமா சொல்ல வந்துச்சு? அட்டு வாழ்க்கையில இருந்த எல்லா பள்ளமும் நீதானா? அது
No.
எல்லாமே நீதானா?
No. See, it's not pallam. I had already pallam. Okay. He with her love, no. She filled all the pallam with equal. See, my only destination is Priya. So wherever Priya goes, I hold hand and I'll walk. Okay.
அம்மா இல்ல வேற பொண்ணா?